Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how people are turning their regular photos into stunning Pixar-style animations that are taking over social media? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your very own Pixar-style image animation using ChatGPT. Yes, you heard that right. And stick around because at the end, I'm going to share a secret tip to make your animated images look even more professional and eye-catching. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need a clear picture of yourself or the subject you want to turn into an animation. For example, let's say I want to animate this picture right here. Now open up ChatGPT, just like we're doing here. Next, type in this exact prompt. Generate this image in Pixar-Style. Simple, right? By using this prompt, you're telling the AI to reimagine your photo with that signature Pixar look. To make this work even better, make sure to upload your chosen photo along with the prompt. The AI will then process your image and bring it to life with an animated twist. And here's a pro tip. If your first result isn't perfect, try variations like generate this image in Pixar-Style with dramatic lighting, or Pixar-Style with vivid colors to really make your image stand out. Remember, the magic here is in the prompt and your creativity. The more you play around, the better your results will be. And don't forget, the title of this video, Turn Your Photos into Pixar-Style Animation Using ChatGPT, is exactly what we're doing here. It's that easy. Bonus tip. Now for the bonus tip I promised. After you've got your Pixar-style image, you can take it a step further by adding animation effects using free editing apps like CapCut or Canva. Add some subtle motion, sparkles, or even a 3D zoom to bring your image to life even more. This little extra can make your post go from cool to absolutely viral. So which photo are you going to turn into a Pixar-style animation first? Drop your answers in the comments below. I'd love to know. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome AI hacks, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep creating magic.